I want to ask you, what is arts management?
We get this question so much.
It's one of the hardest questions, and we do get asked it quite a lot, and every time we answer, it's a different answer. But I think it's what you want it to be. Everyone on the course has such a different background. We all come in with different agendas of what we want to get out of it.
It's getting people in the right place at the right time, it's making sure you have the rights to perform, it's organising and negotiating like contracts for venues, it's the transport to get you to the concert. It's loads, it's getting audiences to the door, it's marketing, I think, is a huge part, and fundraising as well is another massive part of arts management, and having the funds to actually support the arts and keep it alive. But yeah, I think arts management is just everything else that you don't perhaps see as an audience member as well, things you don't realise happen.
What it comes down to is the ability to lead a group of creatives, and there's a lot of skills that go across all of the areas you could go into, which we get taught on this course, which is just kind of how to liaise, how to keep up to date with the creative world, how to manage situations, how to manage events, that it's kind of whatever you want it to be.